If your beat is not interesting, you need to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can actually make your beat more bouncy. First thing first, wherever that you are watching me, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Give this video a like, because it's gonna help you at the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribe. Okay, so we are in FL Studio 2025 now, and if your beat is not interesting, okay, you need to fix this. So I'm gonna change the tempo to, let's say, 130 bpm. Why your beat is not interesting? One, you are using default packs or samples coming from FL Studio. If you want to take your beat to the next level, you need a well-tuned percussions, kick, snares, and other stuffs. So if you consider this kick, let's say we make a simple drum. Let's choose this. Okay, so if you consider this, then let's say we fill this 2 steps. Not bad. We add snares to it. This is not bad, but if you change this percussion to a well tune, you go for correct tunes. Let's say I'll go for my workflow packs. Let me go for my workflow packs very quick. If you don't know how to introduce sample case into your FL Studio, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Make sure you go and watch that. So this is my workflow packs, and guys, these are well tuned. Now let's try some of the kicks. We're gonna replace this kick with new ones. Can you hear this compared to this? Okay, so let's replace this with this. Now let's change the clap, go for correct claps. So let's choose this. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Now let's change the hi-hat. Now you're gonna change the snares. Change this. Something like this. So let's say you want to make Afrobeat. The right tones, percussion is gonna add more interesting. I'm gonna add more flavor to your beat. So make sure you are using right percussions, well tuned. So if I pick this rim shot, okay, so let's go something like this, and we're gonna reduce the BPM to 100. Let's add this. So I'm gonna use this. Then let's say we go for cake. So now I've added this particular cake. Listen to the cake. Now let's listen to the groove. Super crazy. The next thing I want you to do is to add the swing a little bit over here, but be careful with the swing. 16-15% is okay. Next, always add shaker loops. Go for shaker loops. So I'm gonna add shaker loops. If you don't know how to use shaker loops, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Now listen to this. Next thing you need to add is drum fill. So let's listen to the groove. Vocal chant, add vocal chant to it. Okay, so guys, right after this you can actually go for your melodies, play it. If you want to know how to create simple melodies, watch my previous videos, but I'm going to use this one. Let's clone this, hit Ctrl B on the keyboard. Nothing crazy. We're going to reduce this a little bit, the volume. Now let's listen. Okay, let me try this one, mute this one. Let's see. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, so it all depends on what you want to achieve. So right after this, you need to be creative. Try and change some of the percussions, add more notes, add something new to give it more taste, and this is gonna sound great. Let's try this once again. We're gonna switch to this part. Let's layer this, copy the rim shots, then paste it here. So after that, more picks. So we're gonna go to the piano roll. Let's support with this. So be creative when it comes to making beats. It's all about creativity. I'm gonna double click this, make sure it's on time it. I have a full video taking you to step by step. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is to route your beat to the mixer track. Make sure you add some effects. Nothing crazy. Add some effects. Alright. Add some effects. Super simple. Go to the mixer track. Routing from here. And add some reverb, EQ, delays, and that's gonna sound great. If this video helps you, you know what to do. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosai, still the solution can. See in the next video. Stay blessed.